Hi, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and I got my pumpkins. So yes, I got my box, and it was wet, and it smells, but I'm sure the contents are not going to be wet or smelly. So let's dig in. Ooh. Okay. Well, I'm going to show you the first one, but I'm not going to unbox her yet. Okay, okay, here we go. This has been on my list. It's Artsy Girl. Yes, Artsy Girl. Artsy Girl by MrsbutterD. I love the colors in this, and I don't know when I'm going to do this one, but this has been something I've been eyeing and waiting for, and I noticed it was in stock when I ordered my pumpkins. Well, you know how it is. You don't want to pay shipping, so you apply the $15 towards another canvas instead of paying for shipping. But this is why you're all here. This is why the order occurred, is for that. Yes, I got it. Oh, I got it. This one is called Fall Pumpkin Stack. Oh, all right. All right, let us open this. Okay. So Artsy Girl will be opened on a different video. I'm not going to open her right now. I want to open this one. Okay. Fall Pumpkin Stack just came out on Monday, and it's a 22 by 30 or 55.8 by 75.9, and it's got 68,320 drills. It has 85 colors, including 3 ABs and 2 fairy dust. Okay, here is our tray, our toolkit. You know, it's a big tray. It's got, for those of you that don't know, it comes with baggies, a pen, hold on, a pen with the clear wax, which I like. I like the clear wax. This seems to be broken though. Okay, there it goes. Okay. Now I should be able to get this out. Comes with a bag of baggies and this tray with the slotted sides, extra wax, and the red wax, and a multi-placer, and it's a thin one, and I like the thin ones. So that is your toolkit. I'm going to put this all back in there. Okay. All right. Please let this not be a bronze. Please. It's not a bronze. Guys, it is not a bronze. I think this is a silver. It is a silver. Guys. Oh my gosh. It's really a silver? It is. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It is not a bronze. Ah! I am super stoked. Super stoked. Here are the colors. Now they're going to look much better in the drill pack, I guarantee you. So let's take a look. Oh, I'm so excited. I got a silver. Okay, this is going to go in my book so I don't lose it. Why not keep it in with your painting, Nancy? Because I don't want to. I'm going to put it in my book with the other cards. Okay, that's why. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. I needed that. I needed that to be a silver. Oh, this is a black background. But you know what? It's not black. It's number 154, which is very close to 310, apparently. Oh, look. Oh, you can't see it. Look. Oh, this is going to be so nice. Look. So it's got some 939. It does. It has some 3371, 3818, 154, 310. It's got some dark colors, but I mean, look at it. Yeah, let's zoom you out a little bit. Oh, I am. Look, fall, sunflowers, the pumpkins. Oh, it's going to be pretty. Okay. So it does indeed have three ABs and 2 fairy dust. Will I need to bling it up some more? Who knows? Maybe. I don't know. But I can tell you the word fall, all the white in the background and the white in the top of this pumpkin are all fairy dust. And all this is, no, I take that back. They're ABs. All the white is ABs, which is this one. And then we have, oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 310. We all know I don't really like 310. And 3 bags of 939, 920, 921, 550, 154 is, it's kind of a brown. 154 is like a dark brown. And there's 3 bags. I don't know when I'm going to do this kit, but I am super excited that I got it. All right, let me see if I can get this back in here. Okay, we did that train. Look at these other pretty colors. Look at them. It makes up for the dark. 2 bags of 3866. Here's a fairy dust. Here's a yellow fairy dust. This is a square kit. Lots of colors. Lots of color in this. There's an AB. Here's another AB, the green. Love the purples. Not a lot of these colors in here. So those are the colors. So we already know the white AB is going to go in here and in the word fall. And it's going to go in this top pumpkin. And then we got the greenish AB, which is the parallels, the swerve parallel lines like the wave. And that is going to go, I have no idea. Here it is. It's not really a green. It's going to go in this plant right here. And up in here. Okay. And then we got the other green AB, which is going to go right in here. It's going to go, let's go in the outer flowers like here and in here. And then the fairy dust, this is the first time for seeing this symbol. It's a V with a dot in it. Have you ever worked with the V with the dot in it? Let me know. It's going to be in the sunflowers. Yep. It's going to be in the sunflowers, the yellow fairy dust. And then the orange fairy dust, which is the letter P, is going to go P, 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 where are you, P? Okay, they're going to go in here, in here, and in here. Nice. Okay, let's check the stick. The stick's going to be good. It's the perforated edge. Nice thick cover sheet. 85 colors. All right, so let's have you take a look. Right here. Okay, here we go. I'm excited for this canvas. 22 by 30. It's probably the same size as my MrsbutterD that I'm working on right now. This one will take me a little over a month to do. Oh, I'm so excited I got this one. Even though it's on, the dark is on the outside. But this is going to come out so nice. Did you pick up the pumpkins? It's still in stock. Now, if I would have waited another day, but I didn't know if it was going to sell out or not, because when we voted on it, it was like everybody on the VIP group was like, yes, I love that one, I love that one, I love that one. Yeah, it's still in stock. So if I would have waited another day, I would have bought the mystery box too, because I was going to buy two no matter what. But I did not. Instead, I got my other unicorn, and we will open that in another video. So I'm pampered with diamonds. I can't wait to do this one, but it won't be till next year. So be kind to everyone, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good